So I'm back again with another quick video. I'm gonna show y'all how I pretty much prep my hair before I put my hair into the wig and everything. So I basically just finished washing my hair. I wash my hair. I make sure I wash it twice. And when you wash it, make sure you have like one of these little scraper things to scrape your scalp or whatever. So that's what I do, scrape my scalp and I comb my hair through. And I do that 2 times. And then after I get out, I put this leave-in conditioner. It says hair and scalp strengthening leave-in conditioner by Olive Miracle or whatever, but y'all, this stuff smells so freaking good. But I put this leave-in conditioner in. I get my my denim brush or whatever, and then I brush my hair through, comb it out and everything, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and blow dry it in 4 different sections because y'all know my hair is very thick and it gets crazy after a while. Okay, so but yeah, nothing more, nothing less, y'all. I'm gonna just go ahead and carry on with this video and just
you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bump me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting my feelings. My heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you. Without you, I'm hurting my feelings. No more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you wanna do me wrong. See, when I'm home, I'm all alone, and you are always gone. Boy, you know I really love you, I can't deny. I can't see how you could bring me to so many tears after all these years. See, my days are cold without you. My days, yeah. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Without you, without you, I keep on running back to you. I trusted you. So sad, what love will make you do. All the things that we accept, be the things that we regret. So all of my ladies, hear me, come on, sing with me. See, when I get straight to leave, you always tell me that you need me. And I'm weak cause I believe you, and I'm mad because I love you. So I stop and think that maybe you can learn to appreciate me. Then it all remains the same, that you ain't never gonna change, never gonna change, never gonna change. My days are cold, baby, and my heart can't take no more. No more, no more. See, my days are cold without you. And my heart can't take no more. No more.
The aftermath of what it's gonna look like after you pretty much blow dry your hair and everything. I'm about to just go ahead and start parting my hair in different sections to get the braids in. And yeah, y'all, this is what, 4 years of hair growth. I cut all my hair off in 2022. Well, in 2020 is when I had cut all my hair off. I didn't have no hair, but this is pretty much how my hair grew out to be in 2024. My hair is pretty long, but I definitely do know dang well I need to get these ends cut, hunty, because it's a lot going on. I might do a hair journey, natural hair journey or whatever video on how I grew my hair back out from basically from nothing, okay? But yeah, y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these braids going, so.
I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
we are coming with a force. Yeah, blessings we are reaping, we coursing on foot. Oh, in the right on boss. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life man. But thank God for the journey that's to the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings all from our right hand. What's a toast to the friends that they come to me? Lord, one time, sit down in a class and we put that all this in the road and we go on with the road. Heard for me, say me tired thing, and you know it formed up to be a fire.
Hey y'all, so I ended up braiding my hair. I just put 8 braids in there. I got 4 on this side and 4 on the other side. It's not as flat how I wanted them to be, but it's pretty much more, it's more flat. And then the hairstyle that I'm putting on, well, the wig that I'm putting on is curly anyway, so it doesn't really matter on how flat it is. I mean, it does matter, but yeah. So I finally braided my hair, y'all, and this is pretty much, the girl got hang time, okay? Yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on how to pretty much prep your hair. And also, before you even put your wig cap on and stuff like that, I mean, you can grease your scalp and stuff, but make sure, like, I just don't want to use less oils, especially when it comes around here, because when you glue down, you don't want the oils and everything sweating down to the front, and then it just, you know, depending on if you're doing a glueless, you know, a glueless look or a full unit where you gluing it on there. But yeah, this is pretty much the overall quick tutorial on how I pretty much prep my hair before I put my wig on. So if you enjoyed this video, y'all go ahead and hit that like button. Leave a comment below on how leave a comment below on any tips and tricks when it comes to this video. And I want to say, y'all, stay blessed, and until next time.